So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can fix your Google sign-in problem in your Google account when you're making a new accounts. So if it's giving problem could not sign in your Google account, so for that what how you can solve it, okay? So at first you have to go in your settings. After going in your settings, you have to go for app management. Now you have to go for app list. After that you can see this kind of interface, but you can scroll down, you can just search for Google Play Store, Google Play Service. After coming here, what you have to do, just come in the storage users, and now you have to clear cache and clear data. After clicking these two both, uh, come in, I click in the force stop. Okay, after clicking force stop, if it is not using really till now, then you have to do the last options is that you have to format your mobile phones. Okay, so this how you have to do in your mobiles, and this is the video, so thanks for watching it.